The Starling Easy Saver account is designed to help customers grow their savings seamlessly through the Starling mobile app. It operates as an easy-access savings account that links directly to a Starling personal or joint current account. To set one up, users navigate to the Spaces section within the app, which is normally used for budgeting and setting aside money. Once opened, the account allows users to make unlimited, immediate, and penalty-free withdrawals and deposits directly tied to their main current account. Interest on the Easy Saver is calculated and compounded daily based on the closing balance of the account each day. Starling pays this accumulated interest directly into the designated savings space on the first day of every month. The account features a variable interest rate structure, which can include introductory or promotional bonus rates for new account holders over a specified introductory period, while supporting balances up to £1 million. Account holders can also manage multiple savings spaces or adjust which specific space receives monthly interest payouts entirely through the app interface. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.